Welcome back, learners from an ad break. So let's continue and get back right to it. So we have the following question now. It says, fill in the blank spaces about the element silicon. We need to know what each of those blank spaces mean and what they represent. So we have seen that the first one there, it is the name. It is the name of the element or the element's name. And then the second one there would be our atomic number. And then we have the chemical symbol, Si. And then the last one, as you see, it is our atomic mass. So now we know what to expect when we are looking at the periodic table. It's the name, the atomic number, and the chemical symbol whenever we are looking at it. Now, let's do some application question and get right into the crux of our periodic table and see what it entails. So, let's answer the following question. So, who am I? Now, the first question is asking you, I am not really a member of the group 1 family, but since I only have one proton, I behave like them. So you need to look at our periodic table and find the element that only has one proton. And remember, one proton, atomic number. So therefore, it's atomic number 1. So therefore, our answer is going to be hydrogen. The second question, I am a member of the carbon family, often mistaken for the end of our pencil. So when you're thinking of a pencil, you must think of lead, and it's not really lead that is at the end of our pencil, it's graphite. So our answer there is going to be lead, because we always and often mistaken that with graphite. Number 3, or C, I am a gas with an atomic number of 8. So that's a clue. You look at atomic number 8, and that is going to be the oxygen. Right, easy enough. Let's move on. I have 26 protons. So remember, atomic number is equals to the number of protons. So we're looking at atomic number 26. So when you go to the periodic table, we find that it is there, and that is going to be iron, Fe. And then moving right along to the next question. So you can find me in the carbon family in the 5th period. So carbon family, we go to carbon, and then we count the number of periods up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we go to that one there, Sn. So that is tin. My atomic number is 40, and I have 20 neutrons, and I am found in your teeth and bones. So we're given that the atomic mass of this particular element is 40, and then it has 20 neutrons, and then it's found in your bones and teeth. The equation says the atomic mass is equals to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So I'm given the atomic mass to be 40. This is equals to P, because I'm looking for the number of protons, and the neutrons is 20. So what we do now is to do the additive inverse. What we need to do is to subtract the 20 on the right-hand side, and also subtract the 20 on the left-hand side. So obviously 20 minus 20, they cancel out. That gives us 0. Then P is equals to 40 minus 20. That means then your P, your protons, is equals to 20. And if it's 20, if it has 20 protons, that means it is calcium. So therefore, the answer to this is calcium. So it is calcium. Now, our next question, which is a bit easier, it says, my atomic number is 3. So you just simply count 1, 2, 3 on your periodic table, and you find that that element which they're looking for is lithium. So we have lithium there. And then the last question here is, I am the head of the carbon family and known as the basis of life. So the head of the family means it is the first one in the group. So remember that family means group. So it's the first one in the group, and that group is the carbon family. So you look at the carbon family, the first one is carbon. So therefore our answer is carbon. I am a metal that is liquid at room temperature. Metal that is liquid at room temperature, it is our mercury, or Hg. It's found in group 12. I am an element with 25 protons, atomic number of protons. So 25 is going to be there. We talked about this, so that's our manganese. Right? K, my atomic number is 79. So you just count in a periodic table and look at element number 79. And there what you find is Au. And what is Au, can you guess? Correct, it's gold. I am a gas with 2 protons. 2 protons, atomic number 2. That is that one there, helium. And then the last question is, my atomic number is 47 and I'm used to make photographic film. And that is silver. Silver, it is element, it's Ag. Where do you find Ag? There, just above gold, Ag. All right, learners, let's quickly take a short break and we'll come back and I'll see you after this.